Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my channel and I hope you are doing great. So friends, in this working video, I'm going to show you the beautiful admin dashboard template, crypto in Angular 21. So friends, before showing you working demo, I must say please watch the video till the end and please subscribe my channel for latest updates. So friends, here we go. So let's see the beautiful crypto trading admin dashboard that I have made for my demo in Angular 21C. Demo pages, dark and night view, just brilliant. Dark is very well. Notification toggle and user toggle as well. And there is some search and crypto coins info. And now the main beautiful chart, the crypto chart. See order book. See guys, beautiful other stats, recent traders, and open orders, close orders, order history and balance as well. But the main is this beautiful chart, candle chart sequence. And guys, if you will have any kind of queries, session requirement, then feel free to comment on this video. Also, please contact me via my blog. There is a blog and contact us page. You will get my email ID, WhatsApp number, and my Upwork ID as well. And also, you will get multiple free Angular stuff like Angular dashboards, e-commerce templates, and as well for e-commerce. And friends, I'm full-time freelancer. You can hire me for your works as well. And after it, I will come with more things. Just brilliant chart. I just love it. And I must say, please like and subscribe my channel. And thank you for watching this video. Thank you. Have a nice day. Take care. Bye bye.